Hey guys, I have here my mountain bike, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how I am going to hide this AirTag on it. So in case somebody decides to take my bike, then I can still find it. So a relatively simple solution to this problem is to get one of these AirTag bike belts. And we're going to install this instead of the original one. And you may notice that these are slightly bigger so that they can hold the AirTag inside. So the first step we have to do is to remove the original bell. And we're just simply using here our Phillips screwdriver to remove one of the screws here. Then we can take the original bell off. And in the same way, we're going to clip the new AirTag bell onto our handlebar. And of course, we don't forget to securely tighten the screw. Okay, so now it is already time to insert our AirTag into the bell. So we're just going to twist off the top portion of the bell, and then we can drop our AirTag inside. One thing I did beforehand was to disable the speaker that's inside of the AirTag, and how to do that I'm going to explain in this video here in the upper right corner. Doing so will make it more difficult for a potential thief to detect and find the AirTag. And now the last step is just to screw on the top of the bell again. And once we've done that, we can align here the little trigger mechanism as well. And of course, this is a fully functional bell, so you can just use it as usual. Now here, one more time, let us compare the size of the AirTag bell to the original size. So you see it's slightly bigger. And that was already it for this video, and I hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.